Yo, this right here is a video straight to the point, you feel me, when it comes to saving money as a vegan, raw vegan, whatever it is that you want to do. By the way, if y'all want to go alkaline, lose some weight, and get fit within a short amount of time, specifically 12 weeks, send me the DM on Instagram right here with the word alkaline. Let's see how we can get you right within 12 weeks, okay? Meal plan, fitness plan, all of that, as well as a bunch of additional information that's very, very informative and just a great resource, you feel me, to stay consistent on your journey. But coming back, right, no fluff. When it comes to saving money, right, as a vegan, just in general, vegan, alkaline, whatever it is, right, what you want to do is, there's really like 4 steps, right, to saving money. One being, you want to be able to buy all or most of your food in bulk, okay? If you go to, like, let's say a Whole Foods and you get some quinoa, right, and the quinoa, it's about, like, let's say yay high, and you get that same amount of quinoa in bulk form at, let's say, I don't know, Winco or whatever, wherever, it's going to be cheaper 99% of the time. The reason being is because of the conveniency. They put it in a package, they put a brand on it, a logo. It's just, it's so much there. It's not just the quinoa that you buying the brand, you know? So it's always best to buy in bulk. Number 2 is this, you want to tap in with your farmers, okay? When you go to your farmers markets in your area, you can Google this actually. So go on Google, wherever you at, look up farmers markets in my area and when they're happening. Go to those farmers markets, make connections with, you know, the farmers, because they are the ones hand in hand with the very food that you want, and it's high quality food as well. So it's most ideal to get it from them because you know where it's coming from and you know it's high vibrational because of who is growing it, and you can see what's in their soil and so forth and so forth. So farmers markets is definitely an option, and if you make a good enough connection, you could get, you know, some hookups from time to time. Because I had a farmer's market. I had a farmer that was giving me a bunch of kale, because he had just a bunch of kale, you know. But we had a good connection, and that's the reason why I got the hookup. Okay, so I'm telling you for a reason. Go be nice and get the hookup. No, I'm playing. Actually, go and be nice, because that's how you have a real relationship, and also get hooked up even more. But nah, you want to keep a real relationship. But anyways, so that's number 2. Number 3 is you want to Google wholesale produce in your area, okay? When I was living in LA, something that I did a lot was buy wholesale produce from this warehouse in the middle of downtown, and it was a bunch of good quality produce, and I got it for cheap. I was getting like 50 bananas for like $10. You know, like I was getting a bunch of stuff. I was getting like 4 or 5 watermelons for like $5–10, you know, like, so there's a lot of benefit there. So that's number 3. Number 4 is this. I don't know how, but like we have all been really conditioned to, you know, want to go to Whole Foods and these very popularized places, so that way we can get our food and our produce. But really, we just got to tap back into the 99-cent store. We ain't that good that we can't tap back into the 99-cent store. Come on now, y'all. The 99-cent store got some food that you would want 100% as a vegan, vegetarian, you feel me, raw vegan, alkaline vegan, whatever it is. They got something there that you can appreciate, okay? So make sure you tap in with your Walmarts, make sure you tap in with, you know, the 99-cent stores, you feel me? Any store that's not as popular as, let's say, Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, you want to tap in with, so that way you can be able to get the best price for the foods that you're looking for, okay? Don't ever think you too good enough to shop at. Don't ever think you just too good enough to shop at, you know, 99-cent store, you know, let's say Walmart or something like that, because they definitely do still have deals, and they definitely do still got good food that you can use, okay? Now, with that being said, there's probably some other things I'm missing as well when it comes to saving money as an alkaline vegan or just a vegan in general, but for the most part, that is what you can use right now to be able to save money now, today, okay? And again, if y'all want to go alkaline, lose some weight, and get fit and do this the right way, man, there's a whole bunch more in science, you feel me, when it comes to this whole vegan thing, you feel me, like an alkaline thing or whatever it is. I'm gonna just tell you right now, phytic acid is within the nuts and the grains, you feel me? You gotta soak your quinoa, you gotta soak your Brazil nuts, you gotta soak your walnuts, because of the phytic acid is preventing that absorption of iron, zinc, and calcium. And on top of that, you know, there's certain things that you gotta do to be able to, you know, really live this lifestyle at the best you possibly can, you know. And something that a lot of people don't talk about is breath work. There's a whole bunch. But like I said, if you guys want to hear more about that and you see how we can get you on the right meal plan or whatever, send me a DM on Instagram, we can talk. But other than that, I'm about to actually go to the gym, get some fitness in. If you guys are interested in how I'm going to be building muscle as a vegan, specifically a high raw vegan, high raw alkaline, whatever it is, I'm still like debating on what I'm gonna call it. But more of the story, I only want to eat 1 meal a day and eat raw foods as well. So if you want to know what I'm eating, right, to build muscle and how I'm building that muscle in the gym, stay tuned, because we got some things. We just went yesterday, and this is only my second day being in the gym and actively trying to build this muscle. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. That's where I'm at right now. And let's see what we look like in about a month. Boom, just like that, we in the gym with it. This is actually our second day, me and my little nephew being in the gym. I actually don't normally do gym, you feel me? Like, I don't normally do like weighted workouts. I normally just do like calisthenics primarily, but you know, I'm switching it up and I'm going for the hybrid, you know, ting, you feel me? So I'm looking to, you know, gain not only foundational strength, but also, you know, some mass, you feel me? It's good to look good, feel good, and be able to do good. So, you know, we in the gym with it. But today all we did was just triceps, you feel me? Forearms, we did some back, you feel me? Some lats, right? Really focusing in on that form and activation and getting full range rather than the shorties, right? The shorties is good, don't get me wrong, but there's a time and place for the shorties, and you don't really want to overdo the shorties. You really want to, you know, kind of just keep them on the back burner when you want to, you know, really build the muscle, you feel me? And just shred it even more, right? But yeah, so this is how I'm building muscle as of right now. I'm just gonna, you know, keep doing what I'm doing, and you know, let's see how we looking like, you know, the next month, 30 days, maybe even like 2 months. Somebody at the gym actually told me today, you know, take 90 days without looking in the mirror, taking photos of yourself, and you know, keeping up with how you look on your phone, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just the first 2 weeks, maybe a month of doing that, and see what happens. But if y'all want, you know, subscribe, like the video, share the video, try out some of these exercises, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this is helpful to you. And just remember, guys, you know, it's all about perspective, okay? Nothing is really expensive, okay? It's just your mentality that's limiting, okay? And with that being said, man, like this video, share this video, comment, let me know what you guys think about the tips that I put in this video, and if you think it's helpful, subscribe, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.